Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva for Instagram quotes. First, open Canva and select an Instagram post template, which is perfectly sized at 1080 by 1080 pixels. You can choose from hundreds of professionally designed templates or start fresh with a blank canvas. Selecting a template that matches your brand style or the quote's emotion will give you a great head start on your design journey. Now, let's get your quote onto the canvas. Use the text tool to add your chosen quote, exploring Canva's vast library of thousands of fonts. Play around with the font size, color, and alignment to make sure your message is clear and visually pleasing. A great tip is to try different font pairings, perhaps one bold font for the quote itself and a more subtle one for the author's name. To make your quote truly stand out, let's enhance its visual appeal. You can add graphic elements such as shapes, lines, or icons that complement your quote's message. Don't forget to upload your brand logo or any specific images to personalize the design. Choosing a background color or image that supports the quote rather than overpowering it is key to a balanced and professional look. Finally, it's time to share your amazing creation with the world. Download your finished Instagram quote in a high-quality format such as PNG or JPG for the best visual clarity. Make sure the file size is optimized, typically under 500 kilobytes, for quick loading on social media. You can then share your beautifully designed quote directly to Instagram or schedule it for a future post.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.